Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a little dinosaur. Are you ready?
Let's do this!
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Valentina, can you say hi?
Hello there!
Today we're gonna be using these awesome crayons that we find. I'm not sponsored with this, I'm just wanted to try them. They are called bright color silky crayons, and we wanted to see how good they work on this picture. We're gonna work in a little dinosaur.
Yeah, little dinosaur.
We're gonna start in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is the smile of the dinosaur. Okay. And then we're gonna do the two eyes. So I'm gonna start doing here half a circle, oval shape, and then we're gonna leave a space and we're gonna do an oval shape. Your turn.
So smile.
There we go, a smile and then two eyes.
I think I'm good with silky.
I like silky, eh? Now we're gonna do the head, and this dinosaur has a big head, so we're gonna do a circle around the eyes and the mouth. So I'm gonna start on the top and I'm gonna go around. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's very smooth, so we're sleeping in there. It's kind of like, woo! Yeah, your turn.
Okay. I'll do it around the big head. A big head.
Yeah, you need to kind of hold your paper because so they are slide on you. There we go.
Oh, he looks like a bulbed egg.
It's okay.
It's an egg.
It's like an egghead. Now we're gonna do the scales of these dinosaurs. So we're gonna start doing triangles. So we're gonna do
One,
up and down.
two,
2,
3.
and then let's do one little one here.
That was
4. This is little. Okay, your turn. Go slow.
That's why they call it silky. I don't know what silky means.
Good job. Now let's do the body. For the body, we're gonna do a U shape. So start from the neck here. We're gonna go down. Look at this, and we're gonna do a U shape. And his body is a little tinier than the big head here.
Okay, we're gonna do a little body, even littler than the big head. Like
good job. Yep, little head. Yep. So now we're gonna do the little teensy weensy hands. So we're gonna do one hand, two hands.
Oh.
Okay, and then let's do the hands first.
Okay, yeah, do my hands first. Wait, where? Oh, over there. Boop. Boop. It's so tiny.
And then we're gonna do the feet. So for the feet, we're gonna do 3-letter U. So go 1, 2, 3, go down. And then the other one goes like this. 1, 2, 3.
Like, I like making rhymes. That's why I said P. Very silky with the wilky.
Now let's do the tail. So the tail is gonna be like a sideways letter U. And then we're gonna do the scales over the tail. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. These scales are smaller than.
Whoop. I'm gonna do 1 scale, 2 scale, 3 scale, 4 scale, 5 scale, 6 scale.
There we go. And there, that's it. We finished this little dinosaur. Yeah, and now our favorite part is coming in. That is
color.
Color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turn out. We decide to color ours different. So mine was pink. Valentina went for the red, for the green colors. And I have to say, I love these crayons. They are super smooth, really good working. I will link these down below in the description box. So if you want to get some of this, they are awesome. They work really good. The only thing we discovered is that because they are so smooth and silky, they smear a little bit on the paper, so you guys need to be careful not to touch like here the black part, because it starts to smearing in the other color. But I think they work great. The colors are super bright, super fun.
So you can add whatever you want, like here for hearts or anything.
Yeah, or little eggs. That would be fun, right? Put
Yeah,
little
eggs and little trees.
Yeah, you can add wherever you want into your picture. This was super fun. Did you like yours? Yeah, I really like your picture too, Valentina. And so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.